plane and then the private jet that brought Nana Jane, Opoku Agyeman, Justin Kodia, General Secretary, want to be under probe for alleged fraud, money laundering, and international organized crime. Deputy Attorney General Srem Sai was say want to me chia action no. Wafa kwati kwan bi and or de sika efri amanoni begu o man anymore money laundering. Afei wodi dream or a fraud. The case will be a fraud I just say. Ofa kwati kwan bi so ebu nkrofo agi o musika. Afei woni amanani fo bi aka bom say I don't know so mbetu obai na gu because that's international organized crime and your crime kitwa o. O say anunti e no machi won to me. Okay. Now just say 50 million. Bosia sika etuama no. Enye 10 million a. Wokoji so odi Kodia bro. We dey modu pa. Omapani John Mama akache Interior Minister the Triple M Munta Ka Mubarak Mohammed say what the IGP Kambom na Bono East region and an important Sunday Ghana this year sue armed robbery hono anodin yeteno
cannot thrive without security. We are aware of the challenges in the eastern corridor of Bono East, particularly around the Atebubu Amanten area, Sene East and West, and the Pru districts. Highway robbery and armed robbery has become rampant. In response, I have directed the Minister for Interior and the Inspector General of Police to deploy additional security personnel to those areas where robbery has become rampant. We will also provide the police with patrol vehicles and communication equipment so that
in any event, we are not against accountability, but accountability must be. In any event, we are not against accountability, but accountability must be done through due process, through the rule of law, through respecting the rights of persons involved. Yoko cannot claim that the person who is being investigated should bring 50 million worth of property before he gets bail. When you know this person with a fifth place of abode, you know the person as a public figure who will not run away, especially when he made himself available to the police and you use Rambo style to arrest him. Enough is enough. So please media, join us as we walk to Yoko. Thank you so much.
Wamutigu Montana so Wamonantia Kono woman you. Adansia sukwa Brashewe Jania wonu so sokobi Katie Hammond on the seno hokra de ane ne nkajai waba wonu so aba na omuni a police for enya penchen kakra na national organizer eti Brashewe Jafo ewo MPP dom kuma no no mte for etete form ho na wo mo bre no na bi te form ho bre pap omu hi exercise enya sa you know if you have it can we have it womo. Jano Amano Kono 50 million Ghana cedis. 1 million 10 billion. Calculate 500 billion.
No cross so kofa ba almost say almost person do money cover.
Send you go your bail bond the be as
makes himself next thing is
Kukua, we want to have this Nana B video be you guys told me you have all. All right,
Baby man penny for
what that
Sabi Ghana man you be a Sabi MP yenye hufo o man penny mahama enye ku ana de betre man so yes Ghana for the two abama o na o buy enye soja ban na wo ha ade a IDC for eye Sabi enoma bani o ma bani ye no opeso mo kata so kokeya ewo memu ayehu apese kan wasem ena opeso mo kata so private jet o ma kwa han a o mo je kwa Ghana fa na je kwa boche ehu asem o mo pese e be kan wasem ena NDC for mo tu galamsey a o mo say yensuo no o mo pese e be kan wasem to me, how much in no person or me Ghana for a game if you know my bonny and also my momuso. Now you catch your MPP, ya pimp. Ukuma
chilling shadow over the states of our democracy. What happened to Mr. Bernard Boakye, known as Chairman Won to me? It's nothing short of a national disgrace. It is a stain on our conscience and a threat to every citizen who still believes that Ghana is a land governed by laws, not political vendettas. We are not here to shield wrongdoing. And let me emphasize that. We are not here to shield any wrongdoing for Soreva. We are not here again to obstruct investigations. But we are here because a line has been crossed. A dangerous, unacceptable line that signals that state of power can now be used to humiliate, traumatize, and silence citizens under the pretext of justice.
What kind of country are we in? Have they looked at the constitution? They should vary the bill term. The man is unwell. He's in their custody. They know. So they should vary. Won to me will not run anywhere. And I'm telling our friends in the NDC, 4 years will soon come. And if they think what they are doing is right, they should watch it. Treat others the way you expect them to do unto you. Treat others the way you expect them to treat you. So if you keep wound to me, is he using bail to punish him? We are here, we are protesting. We expect him to do the right thing. What has wound to me done? Why then? If you come out in a buy, Obaye no wenjani o police headquarters. Boni bi amuso waye no. Mudi eche. Makoche na be yo konfa ejapade worth 50 million cedis. Over 30 documents in branch. Obi ba no so the document mo say ye ko juge mansa. Nipa na say okono ni ho. Unnecessary frustration. What kind of country are we in? No.
We are demanding and this is for time. You arrest somebody. Your driver ran with the car. Your driver arrest him because you got the law.
Why would you just come and get a sin? Why would you just come and get a sin?
We have our right. We are demanding and the guy was driving straight and he said we should stand there. He would hit us, but he had the order. He said it. Meanwhile, there was no occasion here. The police rushed to go and arrest the person. And I'm now telling the boss that the same arrest was about to. Why can't he arrest? Because that police officer is not about the law.
Okay. NNT Wayne in Yama Ekosona. We're trying to get one of Wuntumi's lawyers in the person of Adeakye Abia. Nah. Lawyer Adeakye Abia, I'm watching. Now, I'm to say.
I'm not going now. Send him what's just immediate. Pressure records.
But you say.
It's a bit weird. Now, send him. First, nobody there, but the put new pressure levels.
Wadama, Chama want to be a nano pay no case over him.
For more clinical.
Our Yoko name of our clinic.
Yes.
Okay. Nandra, you just change command. I'm saying mobile modern. You're saying car. Move to me and meet bail bonds. No, Echo say.
At the end of the day, no, we couldn't mobilize the justification into a Chilean party. The ambiguity say meeting the conditions is not difficult for us. And the necessary process now you record for a review of the bail conditions. And that is what we are doing. I will file it this morning now in court for a possible review.
And one more say wada no more abro 48 hours no ne ade na tiamra ne ade no ninsan ka bail bonds no so no eno no etiamra ana say yokofo nyamfumso bia wadaroma.
Indeed, bail no are granted on the no trigger 48 hours rule. Again, 48 hours rule. It is in respect of arrester and the warrant. Shamaru to me, arrest was under an arrest warrant. That does not trigger the 48 hours. And again, he has been granted bail. And he
Hello.
Yes.
Okay. And then mobile file no akọ. Na no mo file ko say ne ya no court betima tena so ana say ebe akosi say
we have to come by way of notice to the other parties. And in any party application, they likely say go to betima tena so. And we'll be looking at something like 3 days thereafter.
Wadama Deputy Attorney General Srem say won to me chia ya channel no fraud, money laundering and international organized crime About your course, so bomb the bone, you know, way you mean Akawana.
To be honest with you, I'm very surprised Deputy Attorney General Kasasa to the press, because so far we have not, the Chairman to me has not been charged officially. There are allegations which are quite wild, but 1 million allegations will not constitute evidence in a civil matter or criminal matter. We have to wait until, at this point in time, I should say, investigations, they haven't come to conclusive positions to be able to prepare charges. It may be a surprise, say, the Attorney General all discusses at the President and committee. Saying among your investigations, so called now, prepared charges and almost take it to the status as taking investigations. Say, more investigation now, or more level charges now, no more charge sheet here, then they can speak to specific charges being leveled against them. But for now, no, Omanhene prefer any charges.
Every day I say, I don't pay one to my dear mine. When him say, my busy. Okay. Ira and the appear could be, and I can say, one to me's arrest was under a warrant. Now you say, time I will you could honor, or what CID honor no more cocota, what you cry to and the Rambo style, no, and I'll be can't ben so call to my to me crata. It will almost call on man and say, cameras all there, arrest of wound to me part 1 and 2 because we would have kia nanka nanka I see by camera sentiment capture. See a nunti 48 hours no and yejuma 2 they are granting the bail and a OMBT bail bond. Enti uka say yoko fachi no akoto for 48 hours na Ghana mretia yoko nya from so Iran the appear could be say the arrest was under a warrant and 2 so among granting the bail dear and the say omo tete and fa ho die so na mo mama granting the bail na the ometima ni say anope omo the krate court say abrantie no oye public figure oye business wa onyane bail now omode ato no so say onko for 50 million Ghana cedis mrano eso do omutumi nya
betima gene passport kra
ometima gid bibi na say 50 million there when nya na che say omo ata ne wonnam say afikra no nya maya no wonnam there sa kwan no there emwa asante akwaba bibi aboko ya wa minche
oda ayi enkomo wei se ne esi ko me de nye legal ho ahwan no ne de omumram no no omubrofo no omukeka no na me de me beka bie enim se still ya se wo yoku na ho ahwan court ne ade da so court wan hwe ya na wakwa kana
but lawyer say Buntube has not been officially almost they are investigating and he surprised Remsai Abia's Remsai anyway channel.
Enti say yoko susu eja no na attorney general akoso no
say yoko no the member attorney general no prosecute
say akote efri CID no okoye 2 days
I say CID kra no or your investigation you the member attorney general
and na CID ho no ni wie 2 days na yoko so abechi
CID ni wie wo mo investigation
and na yoko so abechi ni 3 days
and ti yoko de na bi asrem sai e my hint say charge wo mo the member ni
enti so mu ja ne na se bi omu ja ne
na na bi so beche no
bi na so beche
ya chene ba wow we was a power suite ya wa me too
me de ko nyina no I am a bit disappointed in NPP for mo Ashanti region has mo Yekuri Kumasi any Asante Mantama.
What's your reason?
Akota me reason and say ya chi won to me and ne senra o said ye and I mean say constituency chairman of mo Ashanti region 47 constituency chairman led by Chairman Sisi our ye Bantama constituency chairman on the yo munyina chairman at this statement aba I wasn't interested. But yachi to me Monday meboa. Tuesday issues ne started from Friday.
Monday fie ho.
In the fie ho no Friday ne santi
and Monday no call.
Mo emamo hint enema mo be expect. So motna wa yachi chairman to me. Constituency executives, regional executives amoa santemantema say yes akunta untumi afum nipa untumi aye niema bia e beka ne say abroso okoma ne broso ebeye ss de but akunta ayire said dan ya emperimfo say anenemia empo
onim onkaye
iti constituency chairman e wa Ashanti region regional executives MPP a omo Ashanti region say Raf youth organizer, Francois regional organizer, Aduma Pia regional secretary, First Vice women's organizer, First Vice your friend say Champion, and Obano and one don't person much say it's only want to be tonight. So 4 years so said they were original want to be an yomo papada.
At the Pebian free
it's at the Papa Pian free want to be more ma. I say Omapo abrantie no omayi nam ase asama e ka asa santen kai no enu no mo ye ne e de akire wuntumi no barakunta ya so mo tenase no mo ahwe enema bi e reflect so mo reflect at least wuntumi no ayo at least wa ye bi papa at least wa ye
not even individual the party
no kra. It's in the say Ashanti region di wetia untumi
kasa. Take our minds back from 2012 2014.
Yes, from 2012 2014. Na muna na mo se mo ye empenimfo anasa na mo se mo ye party for no. Na mo ye member bakufo to me sorry e wo region mu even ye limited registration exercise why na etimi sorry e kasa wokuri mu until say untumi e be regional chairman e wo ye region mu why and I no say no so obema na moto boys di moto even kra omni moto abegina okeke kra na ni pagane ubeka ye mrebi na Kofi Boakye ye regional chairman okure mu na MPP for ko report ma ne say ye registration NDC for na boye no say na mo bi
yeah
na bibia na mo ba na ye bomi akoton say wo ya akwara na report ma me
da bia na ho ba ye
na ho ba be ye hi o say na mo de bia ye bomu until say wuntumi be ye regional chairman sa na man ye hu say afi na ekofom because ono so edi ene din bi edi ahoden bi bewram e ma party ni be hu say yesoso ene ye nya be ma itakunta ma NPP executives o mo Ashanti region ene constituency chairman ne constituency executives no enye bonia ye sanchire wuntumi enra me hu say your friend say regional chairman from voter region regional chairman
there were a lot of constituency executives from Cape Coast Central all over coming not one from Ashanti region
not even a single soul
executives Ashanti region na the mo chairman no say mo tan cross that na poyando no ye
na poyando e hwan eti regional executives na MPP for e wa Ashanti region person mo che say wuntumi intina brabo obedi ye 3 times a wedding regional chairman no it was no be a papa da bonengwa.
Yeah, I don't want you to even situate it on the person, but the party.
Party at least anya krano. Untumi be FM station. Our region we be one crime. Be virtually about
almost all the 16
regions in our radio station or TV stations
propagating
NPP. Jumadiama MPP nti sabrante no so enipa bonini bonia ditia party no and the regional executives nti ene se we be a radio station mo kotena se ekoton mo messages ekoton mo campaign policies ni ade ene mo ba beto aba be constituency executives no regional executives mo mododo na be kwakotena the radio station and the TV station so akwakocheche mu nsem se be ya mo benya tumi ba mo di we na etua young man neka ya che untumi from me started the free Friday from Friday edibesi and 1 week in regional executives constituency chairman for Mosemate chairman of chairman there enra eni seneni na so
anya she enra kranka afenyo mo hoy amusumu nkobo dompedie wu se musumu kabimano
akuta se nra nya afenyo markings ne dom ene MPs no ene koye saade no
and other regional chairman and executives
ne regional executives ni bi be join ni omo yes unwa Ashanti region ni bi o
obiansi o
unwa Ashanti region ni bi o ho ade na Ashanti region ye boni yesa next time ubenya obi ama na ba be kwa ma party ni bi o de mode ye poyando de so ewuntumi
na poyando de ye kaso obi akọ ha wo se poyando ono communication appointed
ono kronya elected
appointed
me bubu body raf we youth organizer anya ayede ya wo na abeboabo mabuna no François we
regional organizer
Kwame Adoma Pia we regional secretary Nana Mapoma we women's organizer Mr. Champo ne ba me ne friends oba no se de tumba chese untumi we nipa boni ni sa it is ka untumi de se ka kra tutu mu minimum etutu mu ka ke se na mo de betuale kama mo nya sa
ma me kwa sa to
so obi enu wonu ma regi we mu
revisit
going forward say
we revisit the issue Asante ma me too
I'm going into the legal issue so far won't me be condition on my I don't think 15 million is so meet and they can all be fight it down. Look,
as I don't see 50 million. No,
me say so by it can be fought down from the lawyers. Yawaha, come now do boy. That former National Signal Bureau, whatever.
National Signal Bureau.
Initially, one of the same process here on the fair move. Omomano, initial bail condition was 120 million Ghana cedis. Now, attach yes, BBC ya just to court public sympathy. Attach now saw the need to take the matter to the High Court in Accra. And on what so about 18 million Ghana cedis. A whole now branch meeting in bail condition. Near no, on say one in the I make a Boakye. Near no man 18 million. High Court no insisted 18 million was enough. So in the long run, now calling 120 million, 200 million,
160.
The court was able to listen to the wisdom from the argument from the lawyer and eventually bar form. So I think say Adeakye could be. Ali, this is a recent history. That me yesterday no see am court to be any some say court will help you. Say 80, say mukrama say multimania half a condition short in whatever.
They've met half
of it. So
at least you can go and argue.
And you can seek because how an optic na say na. Mami can chief just mami say law is the law. Omo de kwa definitely. Meaning say omo bagenia I am running at the idea 40 no 50 better about 40. But on my entity
value
yeah entity so dey
kwa we ne buo ebeduru sa na
but
at the end of the day all the bail bonds cost they have to also value to meet it but definitely politics are yaw now rematch am you
court ni put from 30 to 35 kra na manya one condition ebetimi aboama enema performa won't me bia ka process o me sha say 3 days ago
te bia kan ne
ko panya ni bail because who be say ya na ko ba say bia yoko or whatever institution better say nipa be go ntino ye de kwako yivuli won't me ana mo nim say e ya mara kwan so na be boa ma won't me be fie because say ye poyempo ye ni alternative ya say yoko for ye say ya ban state institution na ye de achi no say ye ni be on be enu be hama ye de nya e the same process na be fa so ma wuntimi abafie entino lawyer Adeakye Abia at least attach hands around put it things in all any other assets together to ensure say wuntimi the court issued could be triggered at this morning ba na ya nya bia nkodu be 211 no e betimi bia court na the court ka say ya cheso aba 35 na 40 and one condition what about short here definitely bubetimi and the court no club share say sane ma monfa match whatever na emwa say obi na wo lands commission whatever no odwane na or everybody a eno the ultimate a court bema ebema na ema na twetia
okay
so na media with regards to yabo amasu ya wo so no penfa supposed betrayal meba say like
yabo is coming out with sentiment
untumi nyama busuani untumi nyama papa mi untumi bia untumi nyama
as a media person they want who they want to be aye no
as human back from the human point of view and sani eti akamemu sani esititi yakonta se me tie me na nawu se manhu sa akonta ba ba chia me ya yakọ de na me lecturer ya bodo ayebo afotro say my roommate behaved un-Ghanaian akonta. It is part of us as Ghanaians. Yes, Mampeni John Mama. It is part of us as Ghanaians. Asama to menesa obeba me nche kra. Ebia omra me hwi o.
The full cry from me.
Yes.
Masa make am
yes.
But
Misu. Untimi ni de bia.
Eye figurative. It doesn't mean
but obi tie akota. Enchechemu de eye. Eye
what are you figurative ni free o.
Me fan say
me no na eye political communication.
Say Yahweh Yabutema is on the floor.
Ebi akota Asante interesting person. Asante no to us an interesting person.
What am I kana semna? Kama want be wo su.
Yabo amasu. Na ni abra o kabia ma.
Just say Yabo ma chi Yabo amani abre
Yahweh
that is the interpretation.
Matima Asante Gasa
Ashanti region ha Yabo ama wa ha na ababante fe na kwasi ntia se chairman kwasi nti
chama
asuja
fomna
asuja o agu ntumi so for the past few days amampo kan Japan kwada na batu opoma so matie the same thing So why is it that within want to miss own stronghold? Sir, party ma mo ba sorry akeka mo even on my if it shouldn't be like chairman what association even former members of parliament. Amo Ashanti region ha. Abia mo call contest. When we can all have a say in this particular situation want to me. Ashanti region has gone dead silencer. There's the need for them even to investigate why. Enti sebi mama part onu kwa obabesi asebe oda domu wo parliament you wan wasore gina obabesi enu anyo ba panyi wose gina ho nyina bi enti omuni ma bi MPP for maburu ni sankofo nyina enti ma bembezam ka besi se ya wosu offense wani abre no party no an kasa na show party for ni bi show betrayal betray won't me dada anka sebi penifo se e train kan kasa bontisu ni ko fankodi se wut me so
saade no mo de
enti yawa me no ya
bi obi anu ho no mo
obefri ni akoma mo ba be som party obewu ama party so the Asante is at the same the communication of Abia Usu no are you crying
minimum to me be
it's 7:15 Champions League as well. And then Friday we will revisit the issue. Tomorrow is Champions League. All right, Yamate. Tomorrow is Champions League. Cease fire. Tomorrow is Champions League, and tomorrow is PSG. Tomorrow is PSG.
Say that Messi, Chelsea for
Orlando.